Hold on for just 10 seconds. Before you spend money on another AI video generator, there's one tool that's getting a lot of attention. Kaiber AI. But is it actually worth using, or is it just another overhyped AI app? In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how Kaiber AI works, how to log in, its best features, and whether it's the right choice for you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Kaiber AI is an AI-powered video creation platform that lets you turn text prompts, images, or even existing videos into eye-catching animated content. It's popular among YouTubers, musicians, marketers, and content creators because you don't need advanced editing skills to create professional-looking videos. Let's start with the login process. Open your browser and visit the official Kaiber AI website. Click Sign Up if you're a new user, or Log In if you already have an account. You can sign in quickly using your Google or Apple account, making the setup process simple and fast. After logging in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. From here, you can start a new project by choosing text to video, image to video, or one of Kaiber's creative templates. To create a video, simply type a detailed prompt. For example, instead of writing a futuristic city, try something like a futuristic cyberpunk city at night with flying cars, cinematic lighting, neon reflections, and ultra-realistic camera movement. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your final video will look. One thing I really like about Kaiber AI is its clean interface. Even beginners can understand the workflow within a few minutes. You can customize the visual style, camera motion, aspect ratio, and video length before generating your project. The biggest advantage of Kaiber AI is the quality of its animations. It creates smooth motion and artistic visuals that are perfect for YouTube videos, music videos, Instagram Reels, and TikTok content. However, there are a few downsides. The free plan has limited credits, and generating longer, higher quality videos usually requires a paid subscription. Also, some advanced features may take a little practice to master. So, should you use Kaiber AI? If you're looking for an easy-to-use AI video generator with beautiful visual results and a beginner-friendly interface, Kaiber AI is definitely worth trying. Just start with the free version, explore its features, and then decide whether upgrading fits your needs. If this review helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.